Thank you for your interest in UPQUARK Loose Absorbent. UPQUARK Universal Loose Absorbents deliver powerful, silica-free cleanup performance for nearly all common industrial liquids. This gray product soaks up oils, water, coolants, solvents, and other industrial fluids. And it is ideal for mixed, flow-sensitive environments. Oil-only loose absorbents is engineered from hydrophobic polypropylene. It retains oil-based liquids, such as lubricants, fuels, and petroleum derivatives, without absorbing any water. The bright white loose absorbent is widely used for shorelines, gravel surfaces, cracks, calm waters, industrial sites, ports, refineries, and so on. Cellulose Granular Floor Sweep is made from biodegradable, silica-free, and non-toxic cellulose fiber, which provides effective and residue-free absorption. It is superior floor sweeper and delivers up to 10 times its own weight in absorbency. Vermiculite Granular Absorbent is industrial-grade vermiculite absorbent with absorbency up to 3 times its own weight. Its inert, sterile, and pH-neutral composition makes it not only an excellent floor sweep, but also a DOT-compliant cushioning for aggressive fluids, including paints, solvents, inks, and water-based chemicals. Then we comes to RecyloGran AbsorbX, Recycle Paper Granular. 100% recycled paper composition makes it non-toxic, non-abrasive, and silica-free spill containment tool. This product provides more than 5 times its weight in absorbency for oils, coolants, solvents, contributing to a healthier work environment. Last is UPQUARK PoreFlow Ultra Clean Perlite Spill Absorbent, and it absorbs up to 4 times its own weight in liquids. It's the go-to solution for industrial EHS teams seeking cleaner, faster spill cleanup with superior performance and cost control.